How to delete profile picture on Pinterest. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to delete profile picture on Pinterest. So for that, you have to go and log in into your Pinterest account. When you're logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page. From the home page, you could see this sort of interface. So here, you could go and press the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner, and this is your. So as you can see, in my case, I don't have a profile picture added. If you've already added and want to delete it, so you could just press on the profile name and then go to your profile. So first of all, let me go ahead and add a profile picture. And when you've actually added a profile picture, then you can see your profile picture that's uploading. If you go to your profile once more, you could go ahead and press on the view button, and then you could click on edit profile. As you press on edit, once again go to edit, and then you could just press on delete or change the profile picture. Now there's no such thing as delete profile picture. You could just go ahead and change it, or you could replace with something else. So that's how you can delete a profile picture on Pinterest. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.